The Filipino word mahusay, which means well or skillfully in English, mahusay, mahusay. Nakipag-usap siya ng mahusay sa mga bisita. He or she spoke well with the guests. He or she is siya, and then usap means like to talk. Mahusay is like well or skillfully, and then bisita is a visitor, so mga is a plural marker. Mga bisita, it means visitors. Nakipag-usap siya ng mahusay sa mga bisita. Mahusay niyang ipinaliwanag ang leksyon. He or she explained the lesson well. Mahusay is like skillfully. Niya is he or she, it's gender neutral. Paliwanag means to like explain. And then leksyon is a lesson. Mahusay niyang ipinaliwanag ang leksyon. Naglaro siya ng mahusay sa buong laro. He or she played well throughout the game. Naglaro, laro is the root word, play. Naglaro is played. Siya is he or she, is gender neutral. Mahusay is well. And then buo means like whole, all throughout. And then alaro is a game. Naglaro siya ng mahusay sa buong laro. Gawin mo ng mahusay ang ipinag-uutos. It means do the order well. Gawin is like do mo is you. And then mahusay is like, well, pinag-uutos is like the order or request. It's kind of like more of a command than a request. So utos is a command. Gawin mo ng mahusay ang ipinag-uutos ko. Once again, our Filipino word mahusay means well or skillfully in English. Mahusay. Mahusay.